Hi everyone! Wondering what's trending on Amazon in 2025? Here are 10 incredible finds that'll elevate your home and simplify your life. Number 1 is this oven front lock, designed to protect curious little hands from burns and injuries. This child-proof lock is perfect for keeping your oven door secure. Installation is a breeze. No tools or drilling required, thanks to durable, heat-resistant adhesive tape that won't leave residue behind. The lock features a sleek, curved plate that fits snugly on most oven doors, reducing gaps for enhanced safety. Easy for adults to operate with one hand, but challenging for kids to bypass. It's a must-have for any family kitchen. Number 2 is this metal locker storage cabinet. This tall, single-door storage cabinet is as stylish as it is functional. Its powder-coated metal finish adds a modern touch, while the sturdy shelves provide ample space for cleaning supplies, pantry goods, or other household items. The locking door keeps belongings safe from kids or pets, and its compact design fits seamlessly into any room. Assembly is straightforward, with included hardware and a wall anchor kit for safety, a perfect blend of practicality and contemporary design. Number 3 is this folding potato masher. This innovative kitchen tool folds flat for easy storage, making it perfect for compact kitchens. The durable nylon mashing plate is ideal for smooth, lump-free mashed potatoes, while the stainless steel shaft adds sturdiness. Designed to fit curved bowl edges and equipped with a non-slip handle, it's as functional as it is ergonomic. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup, it's a game changer for anyone who loves quick and efficient cooking tools. Number 4 is this magnetic screen door. Say goodbye to bugs and hello to fresh air with this heavy-duty mesh screen. Magnetic strips run along its length for a secure seal every time you walk through, while the durable material withstands frequent use by kids and pets. Installing is quick and easy with hook and loop tape and push pins for extra stability. With its hands-free design and handy snaps to hold the screen open when needed, this is perfect for family homes or summer gatherings. Number 5 is this breakfast sandwich maker. Make delicious, customized sandwiches in just minutes with this handy device. Layer your favorite bread, eggs, cheese, and pre-cooked meats for a quick, satisfying meal. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe, non-stick components. Whether you're prepping breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this compact gadget takes the hassle out of meal making. Explore over 25 recipe ideas to make every meal exciting and convenient without leaving your kitchen. Number 6 is these velvet blackout curtains. Transform your living space with these luxurious blackout curtains. Made from premium velvet, they block 70 to 80% of sunlight and provide thermal insulation, helping you save on energy costs. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or any space needing privacy and elegance, they reduce noise and glare for a peaceful environment. Easy to maintain and available in various colors, these curtains are as practical as they are stylish. Number 7 is this snack bento box set, perfect for meal prep or on-the-go lunches. These reusable containers feature 4 compartments to keep food fresh and organized. Made from BPA-free, microwave, and dishwasher-safe plastic, they're ideal for portion control and separating wet and dry foods. The secure lids click into place for easy transport, while the colorful designs make them fun for kids and adults alike. A great way to simplify your meal planning and reduce waste. Number 8 is these oversized moving bags. These heavy-duty storage totes are a lifesaver during moves or for organizing your home. With a 24-gallon capacity and reinforced handles, they can hold up to 50 pounds. The open-top design makes loading and unloading a breeze, and the durable material resists water and wear. When not in use, they fold flat for easy storage. Whether you're packing for a trip or organizing holiday decorations, these versatile bags are indispensable. Number 9 is this hanging jewelry organizer. Keep your jewelry tangle-free and easy to find with this double-sided organizer. Featuring 40 transparent pockets and 48 necklace hooks, it's perfect for earrings, bracelets, rings, and more. The 360-degree rotating hanger lets you hang it on a wall, closet, or door for easy access. Made from durable materials and designed with travel in mind, it folds into a compact pouch. This organizer doubles as stylish storage for hair accessories or cosmetics. Number 10 is this stove cover cutting board. Maximize your kitchen space with this multi-use stove cover and cutting board. Made from sustainable bamboo, it's tough yet elegant, with raised edges to keep food secure. Integrated handles make it easy to transport dishes, and its large size doubles as a serving tray or decorative piece. The included care brush helps maintain its natural beauty, while its FSC certification ensures an eco-friendly choice for your home. These amazing finds are just a click away. Grab them from the description and make your life easier today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome products. See you in the next video.